This is where we're going to install the light strips. This is the Arena Moto. We're going to install it in the back. I have here my surge protector, and this is where we're going to install it. Alright, this is the surface cleaning wipes to make sure that we are going to clean the surface before installation. And let's take a look at the actual steps. Setting up, the app setup, home kit for Apple, and if we turn it around, we have some other descriptions. How to proper install it. Clean the surface, peel the 3M tape, stick it, and connect to power. But I would advise to connect it first. This is the care, and this is the QR code for Apple Home Kit. Now we can start by installing this. It's going to require us to match those like so, and then turn it to the right. It's going to click, it's going to pop, and it'll be secure. Now the cable, this is where we're going to connect it. Now that's set up. For the cables itself, you see that there's a matching shape so that you don't put it, the other way around. You see that the actual shape of it matches with this. So we just need to make sure that this goes here. So tiny. I'm struggling with it. All right, there you go. It is connected, and as you can see, the other way around is just to connect the second set of lights. These are 2 meters. Yeah, 2 meters. So this is going to be connected here as well. Sorry about that. We don't want it to be turned on, for a long time, because we need to, just in case, make sure that it is functioning properly. Now let me just connect this through the power. And there you go. Both of them are nicely turned on here. So now let's install it. So the cord is approximately 78 inches. I have measured it, and the first one comes up until 39, doing 78. And we try to measure this is 64. So we do have an excess of 14 inches. So it makes sense to measure 7 inches here and 7 on the other corner. Now I turned on the lights just to show you. Well, I still need to do proper cable management, so I'm planning on putting this here, and we got the strip here, and the cable. I'm kind of thinking that this should go here, because I'm planning on starting like from here, because the cord is a little bit longer than, at least 10 to 12 inches longer than my desk. So I'll put a little bit more here, and then we'll go all the way here up until here, more or less. So that's the idea. You might want to be gentle with the lights. You don't want to damage them, like in the corner. So let us just clean the surface first. This is alcohol. We are going to let it dry. Now that it has the time to, it had enough time to get dry, we're going to install it. Apologies. Let's put this on top so that the cable doesn't get. You want to be gentle here in the corner. So the installation reaches until a little bit over the corner, being gentle with the actual corners. And now, the moment of truth. It was a clean installation. Now let's test it. Lights and action. Nice. Ooh, these are really bright. So what we will do is to install the application now and see how it turns out. It's a shame that I'm recording with the cell phone, because it'll be awesome if you'd see how the gradient lights, although I think the cell phone is capturing quite well. But I mean, this is awesome. Looks really cool. I have shut down all the lights and I have put the red in the brightest mode. So you see all the red light that we are getting. I have also set up my geared to have red light as well. Probably I'm not gonna need the red light from the monitor here because it's certainly the backlight there is doing a pretty good job. So anyways, this is just the start. I'll be setting up a lot of stuff in a wall and also some other RGB stuff. So stay tuned, and I hope this helps to give perspective on the product and also the installation itself, which was pretty easy, and I think it's clean. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to.